Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Epidemic Sound plugin for Premiere Pro. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, you need to close Premiere Pro if you have it opened. And then just go ahead over to your favorite browser and just type down Adobe Exchange. Okay, hit on enter. Now go ahead over to exchange.adobe.com. And then just go ahead and log in with your Adobe account. Alright, and here go ahead over to Creative Cloud. And then just go ahead and use the search bar and type down Epidemic. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you'll find Epidemic Sound right here. Just click on it. And then go ahead and click on free. Okay. Click on free and then it will open up Adobe Creative Cloud. Okay. So in here, just basically click on Epidemic Sound and install it. Okay. And then once that's installed, you can now then go ahead and open up your Premiere Pro. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, open up one of your projects. After that, go ahead over to Window right here, go to Extensions, and you'll find the Epidemic Sound. So just click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go to the top right, make sure that you're logged in. So just click on Login right here, a browser will open, log in with your Epidemic Sound account, and you're good to go. You can now then go ahead and use music, SFX, voices, and your saved audio right here, okay? So for example, music, let's say I wanted to download a jazz music, maybe this one. If you want to cut it, you got to use a great version, okay? Click on three dots and you'll have a ton of options like adding it to your playlist or show the stems or find similar. So let's say I'm going to download the whole track. Wait for it and automatically it'll be landed to your media browser. So you can just got it easily, drag and drop it to your timeline. There you go. You can now then go ahead and close the extension or pin it however you want. That's how easy it is to use Epidemic Sound plugin for Premiere Pro. And if you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, you gotta check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you about Epidemic Sound. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.